Hello, welcome to our design solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to design a simple mechanism as we are seeing now. And also we can do the simulation of this mechanism as we are seeing now. Let us start with the part design. Now we are going to design the part 1. First of all, we need to open the part design. Let us open that one. Then try to select the XY plane in sketch. Then try to draw the one rectangle. The height is 150. Height is 150 and then width also put as a 150. Then try to exit from workbench. Then pad up to 100. Preview. Click OK. Then try to select the top view of the part. Then try to draw the two rectangles. Width is 150. Then height is put as 25. Then again try to draw the another rectangle with height is 150, width is 25. 150. Then width is as 25. 25. Perfect. Then try to trim the unnecessary lines. Tools, sketch analysis. It's a closed profile. Then try to exit from workbench. Select the pocket command. Remove the material up to 15. Review. Click OK. Perfect. Now we need to trim for the edges with 5 mm. Here also. For these edges. And here. Design of base is over. Now we need to design the one slider. Try to again we need to open the part design. Click OK. Again select the XY plane, sketch it. Try to draw the rectangle with height is 25 and width also 25. Then try to exit from workbench. Pad it up to 15. Preview. Click OK. Here we need again select the top view of the part, sketch it. Try to draw the one circle with dia 10. dia 10. Perfect. Then try to exit from workbench. Select the pocket command. Remove the material up to 5 mm only. Preview. Click OK. Yeah. Here also we need to make it chamfer for width 2 mm. Click OK. With 1 mm, sorry. For circle not necessary. Yeah, here. Bottom side also. Design of slider also over. Now we need to design the one connector. For that one we need to open the part design again. Click OK. Again try to select the XY plane, sketch it. Try to draw the one right angle with 150. It's 15 width. Yeah. Then dia is 10. Try to draw the another circle with dia 10. Put the distance 85. Then try to exit from workbench. Add it up to 8 mm is enough. Preview. Click OK. Here we need to again select the top view of the part. Try to select the circles. Project 3D element command. Select that command and then try to exit from workbench. Add it. Up to 15. Add it up to 20 mm. This pad is 8 mm. Perfect. Again we need to draw another handle. Try to draw the circle with 10 mm. Exit from workbench. Pad it up to 10. Preview. Click OK. Then try to select the top view. Again try to draw the circle with 15. Dia 15. Make it coincident. These two circles are coincident. Yeah. Then try to exit from workbench. Pad it. 10 mm is enough. Preview. Click OK. Now we need to make it chamfer for this one. Make it 3 mm. bottom side also. Yeah, the design of connector is also over. Now we need to assemble this mechanism. Let us start the assemble of mechanism. Yeah, now we are going to assemble the mechanism. For that one we need to open the assemble design section. Let us open that one. Components, existing components, then try to insert the base, connector and slider. Open. Yeah, first of all try to take them out. Yeah, now we need to insert the slider with base. Give the distance 0. Apply. Then try to give the side surface distances 0. Apply. Try to move it. Yeah, then again try to insert the another slider. Components, existing component, slider, open it, then try to take them out. Yeah, then give the surface distances as like a previous one. Zero. Then try to give the side surface distances 0. Apply. Yeah, then try to move it next direction. Yeah, now we need to assemble the connector. Select the coincident tool, apply, then try to give the surface distances 0. Apply, then try to rotate the connector. Apply. The assembly of the mechanism is over. Now we need to simulate this mechanism. Yeah, now we are going to simulate this mechanism. For that one we need to open the DMU kinematics section. Let us open that one. Yeah, simply select the assembly constraint conversion command. Click on new mechanism, put as a mechanism 1, then click on auto create, click OK. Try to go to the application, mechanisms, mechanism 1, joints, try to give the revoluted joint and then try to fix the base. Yeah, you can see the mechanism can simulated. Go to the simulated section, try to move it. Yeah, you can observe. Insert, put as a lowest rate, put as a continue, then play. The simulation of the mechanism is also over. Thank you for watching the video.